boy na say and result no so ekoko wiye Asante Kotoko Barbara Stadium omni vision obi antimi anhye be omo board draw in fact vision a red card ba ninina mu no Kotoko antimi anhye omo baby ani dance park Goldstars and so any house of game no Goldstars yemienu ama has eti kano bako in fact Goldstars share has beti and a Goldstars share man ye 2-1 Arante Samuel Atakumi and na Augustin Boachi nya 2 goals no edema a Goldstars and na Kwaku Boateng Henry ateka bako ede ema aye house of folk all blacks in Medeama also be antimi anhye bi ho dreams etifie share aduana bako aduana antimi ante ho United and so tifie ehye team from the Samata se kaba ko mo antimi anti bechem ene Karela obi antimi anhye bi na Brekum Chelsea and the young apostles aboard draw also obi anhye ne yonko eka bako Holy Stars tifie ehye pound out of land kaba ko mo so no antimi anti na 11 wonders say MC league na e bondo mo na the whipping boys obia so mu na wahini bi Nations ekotwa na no Friday no eka mienu a omo so antimi anti eye eka no ewo ho na agena course o Baba Stadium no na Kumasa Asante Kotoko coach o hwa chire kopim say ye bobo league no season we nso awie no eye Prince Owusu na ye bisa say coach na no ne house of folk has the red card in the game still now no the 1-0 akonkan enra what's about against Vision FC Vision at the red card still want to be answer mo e dey pa na ekoso dey nti ena Kumasa Sanko
anti red card
okay no pay 11
no how I go say Liam Rusinga
what kind no you give na MBC me share game na former Brekum Chelsea Kotoko as good or say Ajuma ultimate pe nti incident ni see na we say be picture na ada ko wodi yellow card da na o ne red na say nti referee ni yi record o mugbo ye was stadium no and ajo prem no say hala record ya nkofo ye di e de na Kotoko de be a Kotoko supporters ye ni age e de no mo de be because ya betina ma nkofo di record o man timi afanye
because football do be di red card and Mawu the advantage to beat that team.
Nti Ajodi
he
never celebrated because he kept asking say what will Kotoko do with the red card vision. Referee boy always say paper or something na catch at the end of the red card na be.
Then against 11 has 1-0 no dia pon. Yenti interim coach Prince Owusu.
No, I don't see it as a progress made because we had a lot of chances that we have to take it. We get to the last minute, see what the goalkeeper did there. He had the ball into the net. Just one guy standing over there, just push it in there. It's just running away for the ball to enter by itself. Just touch it and put it in there. So I'm happy with it. It's not easy. If they're not playing, that's a problem. But they're playing, and there's chances that they're not making it. So I don't know what is going on, but I need to work with them a lot in front of the post. Because there was just some balls just pushing in the pool, but they couldn't do it.
Your job now as an interim coach is on the line, or you just don't care what happened?
No, I'm trying to do what these boys will put the ball in the net. They could see we're playing, we're attacking them, we're making them get yellow cards. Those yellow cards don't come out easily. The referee just cannot give them yellow card to come out because of the pressure we give on them. So that's what it is. Myself.
Okay. And the coach, Prince Owusu, me can't some poor game the supporters is saying. And at the beer, I'm a Kotoko supporters.
I'm going to watch my end, you. And
did you go to
Manchester?
I'm telling you, Kotoko Jumano. But some channel said, I'll send you when you're happy with the result. Then you are crowd because Obi share game with Biano say Kotoko create a lot of chances. But born quite na problem. I say hand pa say players in the balloon balls and the a course near the boys will be place create cry. No boom na born afa so say hano. Now I will try so I will solve a problem no. I will a training grounds and I also want to say Funu Adumana no aye. So I dey channel pen for so much my dey no between but on the few say there so ye edema Kumasa Asante Kotoko biano or yes na be a team no so no ebetimi improve match by match bi omo so no ebetimi enso awuram abonti Prince Owusu after the game on so nsem odi tuda and na yenti supporters na kakra yenti omo kakra na afi house of coach Didi Dramani so and nsem kakra di tuda na yento aso
Medeama can say yada kwesi apiase wa be legend wasabe ya MC member one of the Prince Owusu ba Medeama man so me fan hadiam so coach who jira on me ball fasoro ya kwa ka na say America brofo I told them to cross the ball I told them to cross the ball they cross the ball asem ade sha betamu a da bia ye kan yes return bia no one more ya papa check was some bruta wasa anya so kotoko boys ni so sa na bia ompe no mo ye do mo ye wasa oti draw di rodo ball so da nye draw wasa o ye changes aye na be ka to say for baba ya bla asalo de baba ya ba baba ya nu popo te place be 20 because I change na coach here me amenye me coach ko amenye sa change and selection so o de ball no me because who be more be jaw who must kojo who James Opon now more manantri at the same time coach be do be sa de ya coach ya bia coach me de nye coach asemo place na sa e de saka wa kasa sa de saka ya o ma me bia na saka o papa bia e tika bet me say
okay and a section of Kumasa Sanoko fans omunya kwan kohwe ebom ni bi no na the sound komo yi enso editu da House of Folk ko Didi Dramani ono so kolusu o ba bia ni ono so e ba ne sen and has entimi amfa win anadro yi.
I think that we knew we were going to play against transitional sides, and we knew that they had home ground behind them. So we were very much aware of everything that happened in the game. We knew they were very strong with their wide home, especially their two wingers, and also coming address the direct football. And we were very much aware. And so we are not happy the way the goals were concealed. So we knew we were going to have our moments, and we didn't have our moments right from the first half into the second half. But I think that we still need to improve on our conversion rate. We need to be more clinical and very decisive in very decisive moments in the game. But
okay, and he called Didi Dramani after so no solusi to baby and Goldstars and now the sound community to da. Also mo call aye baby and no say higher grounds are. So ko baby and Goldstars for net dem pa. Also on the room is bi omo game nim at the ball na e form flanks hono den to beat them and omo call no exactly no one go start for no and so also omunya 1 or 2 chances so has so to me take your chance bia danka ombetimi nya draw bia na so nko ombetimi kra no win a game but the football as much as say on result no enya adwen no football ya show mo enti omo ko back to Ukraine na omo akohwe na afi omo timi atoto niam ase ne be a House of Folk eniam betimi akoye adiamomo after Monday 24 games on the table no say na Medeama still leading almost 46 points. Say baby and Goldstars at Betosum almost 45. And between Medeama and Goldstars and just 1 point and a separate to House of Folk at Tosum and Sound 40 points. Asante Kotokotoso and 9 almost 39. Adriana at Tosum 38. Samatex at Tosum 36. Camila at Toso and Song 35. Holy Stars at Tosum 32. Vision Atoso Nkron 31, Nation FC Atoso du Omo Awo 31, Dream FC Toso du Bako Omo Awo 30 points, Pando Heart of Lions at a point na Tofo no room says Oma Tiaba Omo Atoso du Mieno with 30 points. Bechem United Atoso Dumiensa 30 points, All Blacks Atoso du 9 28, Brokum Chelsea Atoso du Num Omo Awo 28 and na Ocean relegation Bonkanima. How United Etosu Dunsia or 27 points. Young Apostles Etosu Edunson 27 and 11 wonders. So I'm saying I feed you there. I'm at the kind of ticket. I'm in the chat okra after my day 24. I'm our just 9 points. I'm the chat to our the Ghana Premier League after my day 24. Ayala, Mr. Semfenfi with FSM the Ghana Premier League.
I think that it will be right to say our first words after this weekend say league no more there. And league no is taking a fascinating turn of events. And maybe a terminal. Nobody saw where Baby and Goldstars were going to come from. Se uko achieve break crowd ya. Oshe Africa now no me involved Ekoyomo fans so Pamo Mayanga. Their season began very, very chaotic. I said they are not ready to defend BBR.
Africa, Shen Bear 6. Oba League in the result, and so I don't know.
Apart from BBR, there was something that happened to the team Nankasa that won the last league. No, Rich team in the components here, main one, no, players and a coach. They made a lot of changes in the players. I don't know how coach can. And Bebiani had lost logic argument. Say they are contenders this season. No, they no lose no. But Rich, do you know why they are where they are today? In the last 4 games, Medeama win. And kotoko any has a Diana ABA starting league in the heart of Lions and they could have taken advantage of it, none of them Rich and Etimia taking advantage of that as much as baby any for Nhyira. That is the reason why they are where they are.
Okay, 1 point.
My kunya show mu game in the bath watch highlights. And let me say this without holding back. House of Folk, Omu defender Muhammad Ali, Undure, Onye grounded. He is losing himself. Oya feel say, yes, well, Drew. Now, me bohas, me a top. Dabi. Mo Ali, Dabi. Onuri kra on starting po on rafom na on your focus he or the potential but so one starting and realize say afi no starting Rich on come be also drew no so we goes now baby any goes now this show na he loses concentration too easily and he had taken the game cheap. They are crossing boundary, but he was always late for the headers, no. Pat near headers, no. Or we are no complaining. Say, I did some man crossing the bay. I crossing the bay now, so now.
You were with the same thing.
Yes, you were with that. You were with the attacker in the box. Say, over boss in the super class, na uwinia. You may and come at my pajama level to go so. Some me drew. But only. Baby, no Goldstars has done well. And Chebia, Momiani, Aquasedum Casa.
Non-chain.
You see, football, Rich. Yeah, both season, a moment. I think this is their moment. So if we will get any story from Baby, time in here, Sammy.
And I want to pick you at the right time.
Yes. The next Asima Gambabe Canon. And when I was having a conversation, then this issue of peak. Timing no ebemu 2 teams omu picking too early as I say who the effect say diminishing returns asset in Medeama and Heart of Lions. Yeah. Now what Medeama are going through is to manage omu starting league to finish at the top, but you could clearly see say team na pikia Abroso, I'm now diminishing returns assets in or mobile form. Rich baby, any Goldstars has done a very, very good job. And I told some people say after Kotoko winning war when Chino, na ode Baba Sports Stadium no. Ebema Kotoko every fee what previous young teams. And they are more Baba Sports Stadium. And Sadiano, a bit Kotokofono in the game against Vision. And I remember speaking to some friends, or me a call Kotokofo, make a chum say, look, Yebehu Accra Lions Kotoko, a BM and Ra. And after the first half, they said, okay, Ampa. Rich, Vision Timuno, young players. 16 years, 17 years, 18 years, predominantly. They can run. So onim crabby say bobo, you don't give them space. Because omo they need a pace, any power, any energy, So while there are spaces, they will run into those spaces, They will create problems for you. Also only omo matured game. Una only omo una who dictate na what suffocate spaces na mo homo enti omo ntimi use omo strength against you but rich e dey na know Baba Sports Stadium first half require na time kotoko were late into the spaces and you uti stance in mu o shop park in so who spaces no e bebre and the vision for the say they are running into the spaces sir and omo bobo no. They are a very, very good team. Se omo ba ofie na one tia omo ntemwa na omo growing confidence into the game and reach omo be chill. And vision ekasa clubs the one reach they are picking at the right time in the league. So we no about omo boy na. O show omo be omo last be 5 games omo bo omo ko adua na nyina ko win here. Enti o she time na omo wom sisi na they will be very, very difficult. Say, ubetimi any omabo. Na, I didn't to break Chelsea. And I mean, when you call Joseph Mekacheno, I came in young apostle question of you. Last minute, not take her.
But that's Chelsea for no problem, no.
Problem.
Almost all my players no moment to Anton. And the new ones no as I feel no many team no jelly.
But Rich, didn't we make this same analysis first 5 games of the Premier League?
Mm-hmm.
And still they've not regrouped because it was the same with Bechem. Yeah. But has Bechem not regrouped? Look at them now. Until we just say, oh, Bechem, but they will regroup and but Rich, Sami ya 10 matches Sami apoi. Utifie na young apostles e kaka krebe nko before win. Your next game is against Vision on Saturday. Me yam shi ma brekum Chelsea for.
Kofi.
Rich.
Na niema mienu na say weekend we. Na whether or not na Arsenal for the best away record nebeko and as be any Goldstars be jinamo keti no mo jinamo to home record best one na be have been victorious in that regard. And I see him for we should.
Yeah.
For me, the conversation with him should be say Ubeka Abra or Kasi coach from Pomans on Kono. And I say Omri side is a coach from Pomans on Kono. All of us thought it was a bizarre decision. Say coach Edward winning league or do I qualify for Africa? Na afi na nyoma disagreements kakra friendly match omon koboni ade. Then all of a sudden the boss decision is that the coach should go. It looked wrong. But again, for us, say obi eti ejuma naso ya, we should know exactly the things they did right. What have they changed from now till then? From since then till now? And why are they getting the results? One thing is clear. Which Ghana Premier League, say uma wu home no eye fortress ema wa ubeti swaba. And yet rocket science. Immediately your home ground becomes solid. Aye thing so we be show good base and crop of players. Amo into a few no aye thing at least so many drop adding. Which and it was so crucial say. Now Medeama kwa away to All Blacks. It was a game that All Blacks had struggle. But of course, Ibrahim Tanko about draw proud to All Blacks match no. About draw me inti for all of us. Oh, obeti me come manage this game when you win be no dey abefi. But for Ibrahim Tanko to go and draw that game again and have 3 draws, 3 points in just 3 games, it's worrying. And that is where the advantage of BBN Goldstars on home record no, comes into play. For me, that is good. And I say BBN Goldstars saying all the plaudits because almost start year. Do you almost start season na enye kra? Rich. Yeah. Kumasi Asante Kotoko are in a transitional period of BM. Niami Yan say, on the field of play, it looks too gloomy. Match is not in 10. It looks very gloomy. Kotoko are out of the FA Cup. Winning the league mathematically, it's not impossible, but it's going to be difficult for Kotoko. I don't think they can on the face of results on Medeama. But what is the way forward? For me, way forward no patience for whichever coach they bring in. And as a board, normal they almost CEOs, normal management bar, with coach Ombino, they should be hell bent. Say coach we a big gin and give him time.
So only the school of thought of Mokasa decision me no.
Yeah.
Kotoko Penny VMC take one Ogum in the middle of the season. And it's Sakeno.
Yeah.
Karim Zito. We nim so no one at the Ponzo to be Nedman, but be a Tregano. I'm always own to be Nedman. Only sa school of thought in a year dreams sad two decisions. I'm walking to Sadum Quetchi.
Yeah, I mean, especially the Ogum one and far results and Kotoko. The problems I know all that I know have been there. So it's still there. Na me who say unse Ogum time no two players about sad time no. Karim to have started season no. Nay, the very first time in a long time, players are Kotoko after the season probably now 99% error. So for me, allowing Ogum to go one more season would have meant say for the very first time, Kotoko were doing continuity on the part of the playing body. If you do it with the coach, somebody said it's okay in him. Your both season, we've seen a few bad nuts. Coach, okay, players not complaining about you, but we'll give you some time with one more season. Let us go with the same players, continuity with them, and let's see where we can go in Africa. That for me would have been a good stand. But Ogumko, there's no point to constantly talk about him. I think there are good brains here. Ghanaians are good enough. There are a lot of very good Ghanaian coaches that are young enough. And they be emphasizing on young because the way I Kotoko Kono, Rich, imagine, so for Bashi here for Kotoko coacher. Bashi has seen it on the local scene before. Into 1-2, the noise that the supporters will bring, the bubefu, then he will tell you that, do you know me? If you bring the old experienced guys, they won't listen to that. But a modernized culture or theater who will now be patient and know the Kotoko fans like Kasa, they are talking because they are right, they are fans, let them talk. Whilst you try to do the job on the field of play, near money time. For me, that's where Kotoko will go. And of course, you have to invest money into the club. Once they do that, Kotoko will be fine. Rich, I will continue to sing the praises of Coach Nuruddin Amadou, because he doesn't have the resources of most of the other teams of Ghana Premier League.
Okay,
there be Onibi. Most of those boys are UDS boys, so and they do more Ghana Premier League. And maybe you're the unsung hero for Ghana football in the last few years, Waji League, Of course, he's not been mentioned in the big corridors, but if you know him, you know that he's a brilliant manager. Meaning, said this season, but to go there and go and get a job done again, and then cushion themselves to get a 40 points at the Metina League in him, just about 2 more games to go make me a points, good enough for me. And the mandate, as a coach, is to make sure say Kerala Metina League in him, but they are doing it comfortably. After say last season, all your free relegation struggle, which the Adidi drama in the boys are we at BBN, is the reason why they will not be able to win the league. Almost every time you say the tide has turned in favor of Hearts on the building on the momentum, it sinks. And Didi Dramani is a big fan of the tactical side of the game. I think it's one of the things that's so young Juma, maybe also apart from players on better money to be able to compete, is to psychologically improve on his players. Because I think psychologically, setting games against the big boys, they fumble, they make silly mistakes. And for me, that is where Hearts the folk are. If they're able to build on that, Hearts definitely will be able to compete in the coming seasons.
Okay. I'm first I'm mining and engineering training school, and now